Last fall, the Association for Practical and Professional Ethics held a national dialogue on the state of research integrity education in Washington, D.C. The goal of the dialogue was to examine the current landscape with respect to education and the responsible conduct of research, or RCR, and other factors which contribute to a climate of research integrity, and to propose strategies to enhance responsibility among essential vested partners to foster the integrity of research in the United States.
We need to be thinking a little bit more about the post-training environment. So after people take RCR training, what are we doing in the environment to support application of what they learned in training? And so we need support from institutional leaders and lab leaders to take steps to help hold those trainees accountable, but also make sure that they're receiving the same information that trainees are, so there can kind of be that continuity and thread in what's being taught.
APPE convened leading scholars in the field of research integrity education, as well as partners that are essential to responsible and ethical research. These include research universities, federal funding agencies, higher education accreditation agencies, and disciplinary and multidisciplinary professional societies. Each of these sectors bears responsibility for the integrity of the research enterprise in both specific and coordinated ways.
I hope to see some significant and effective change that causes researchers and students to be responsible and accountable for the integrity of research that goes on at the lab, and to be able to collectively produce reproducible results and research and articles that are not retractable because other researchers can produce it, and research that actually has impact while abiding by the code of ethics and conducting responsible research.
We collectively examine the history of RCR education requirements, as well as the assumptions on which those requirements were based, the continuing challenges to providing robust and meaningful RCR education, and examples of specific approaches across vested partners meant to address some of those challenges. Based on these discussions, strategies were developed for the following sectors: federal grant-making agencies, research institutions, accreditation bodies, and professional societies. To view the full report, visit APPE-ethics.org/research integrity.